When I got into Cal Poly, it was amazing. It was like walking into a whole new world, full of possibilities. I was taking the bus 4 hours every day to and from Cal Poly, but it's because education, it's so important to me. I work with MyCop as a case manager right now. MyCop stands for Mixteco Indígena Community Organizing Project. People that speak Mixteco or identify as Mixtec are people from the state of Oaxaca and Guerrero. I see indigenous women on a daily basis, and I help them get the access to basic needs such as food, healthcare, childcare. I deal with a lot of cases of domestic violence. Yeah, I fill out paperwork, and then I help them navigate the system as well.
What's it like cooking? Yeah.
My kids, they basically grew up seeing me in school. They understand that when I'm in school, they have to be either reading or doing their homework. But it's been really hard with the pandemic because I'm there at home, so they think that, mom's available all the time. So after this quarter ends, I will be graduating. I applied to the credentialing program for the multiple subject teaching credential at Cal Poly. And then after that, I plan to teach for 3 years at Santa Maria Bonita School District or Santa Maria Joint Unified School District. And I'm hoping to do it in 3 different languages. Just knowing that my students have the potential to be whoever they want to be is what made me sacrifice a lot of things. Instead of going out and having fun, I was there sitting down with a big jug of coffee and a big jug of water and telling my kids, not right now, because I know that the future is brighter because of education. I know that I'm going to go back, I'm going to make a difference, and there's going to be other students that are going to see and are going to hear the story and be inspired and go to school and change their lives. And so that's why I do what I do.